10 Viking Cruise tips in 60 seconds. Let's go. 1. Book those short excursions early. The best ones sell out before you even get on the ship. 2. Pack layers. Weather can change fast, but you can always take off a sweater if you're too hot. 3. Wine and beer are free at lunch and dinner. So linger over dessert and have that second or third glass. No judgment here. 4. Don't skip the enrichment talks. Viking brings on historians and naturalists to talk about the places you'll be visiting. And you can impress your friends back home with your newfound knowledge. 5. Explore the quiet spaces. There are no kids or casinos on board, so there are plenty of peaceful spots like the library, the Aquavit Terrace, or the Explorer's Lounge. Perfect for reading, sipping, or just watching the scenery. 6. Wi-Fi is free, but it's not the fastest. It's great for emails and Instagram, but maybe wait until port to upload that big video. 7. Use the self-serve laundry. It's free to use and perfect for light packers. Just bring your own laundry pods to make it easier. 8. Try the regional menus. When the chef offers a local specialty, order it. Even if you can't pronounce it, it's part of the fun. 9. Arrive a day early. Viking departs from amazing cities like Budapest, Amsterdam, or Bergen. So, arriving early means you beat jet lag, and you have time to explore. And 10. Spend time on deck. Don't miss the sunrise over the Norwegian fjords or sailing into Venice. Those views will stick with you long after the cruise ends.